In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can change the battery in your Subaru Legacy key fob. This device here was used on Legacies between 2015 all the way up to present day, 2021, and inside we will find just one CR2032 battery. You can get one of these batteries online. I will put a link down in the description if you'd like to pick one up on Amazon for the lowest price. It's just a couple bucks. And once you got that battery, you can just follow along. It's really easy to do. So the first step here is to take your device, flip it over to the back, and you see this little silver button here. We're gonna hold that down and pull out the internal key. As you can see, I don't have the key right now, but it's really easy. You're just gonna pull the key out and set that aside, and then turn your attention into this area here. Now, with a flathead screwdriver, we are actually going to insert into this little indentation in the plastic here to twist and open it up. You can see this is the keyhole, and then parallel to that, right above it, is this smaller little slot. We're going to insert in there and just twist the key, twist the flathead screwdriver. And now you can see we've started to open this thing up. This back piece of plastic will now just come right apart. You can take this, set that aside, and then I'm going to just gently dump out this component. It shouldn't all fall apart on you like it did for me. Kind of made a mistake there, but we'll show you how to put this all back together at the end. So let me just set that to the side. And here is our battery and our circuit board. Hold it on the sides. You don't want to be touching what's on the back there. So now actually getting your battery out is super simple. You can see in between the battery and the plastic, there's a little space here. We're going to put the corner of our flathead screwdriver in there, just like this. And just apply a little bit of constant pressure, and you will get under the battery. You'll slide in there and it'll just pop right out like that. Don't push too hard. You don't want to damage anything. Just a little constant pressure and this thing will pop out for you. So there we go, CR2032 battery. Take a brand new one. Again, if you don't know where to find it, I will put a link in the description to get one on Amazon.com. And once you have your new fully charged battery, make sure this positive side that has the text and information goes face up. You will just begin to push it down to this part first and click in the top. And now we can begin reassembling this whole thing. So if yours is looking a little bit better than mine, you can skip these steps, but we will just be taking the buttons here, and you can see this is how the device is meant to be oriented. You can see how these little images are, and you know that it's going to go like that, right side up. So go ahead and drop that in and it will sit flush. Same thing here. We have our little alarm button that you will just place in like that. Sits flush, and then the rubber component goes right on top. There we go. So now what we want to do is on this back piece, you can see there's that little battery icon. We're actually going to take this and set that so that the battery icon is actually touching the battery, and it will sit flush in there. And again, if you just turn this upside down, these batteries will fall out. So what you want to do is kind of take the two pieces and just gently push them together so everything stays in its place. And once you click it together, you can test the buttons and you see that light is coming on. That means you did everything right and your battery's charged and you are good to go. So I hope that video helped you out. And if it did, you can let me know in the comment section or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help changing another battery in any of your key fobs for any maker model, you can check out the rest of our videos here on YouTube or visit us at fobbattery.com.